Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to recommend the truly exceptional book. Richard Dawkins' The Selfish Gene, first published in 1976, revolutionized the understanding of evolution and gene theory, popularizing concepts that have since become foundational in evolutionary biology. The core discovery presented in the book indicates that natural selection operates at the level of genes rather than individuals or species, thereby presenting a gene-centric view of evolution. When I first read it years ago, it caused me to fundamentally rethink my entire worldview. The notion that all living organisms, but most importantly humans, are merely vehicles steered by something acting analogously to a parasitic computer program, using their struggle and suffering for survival, and ultimately their death, to develop more advanced vehicles better adapted to surrounding challenges, seemed contrary to every major religion or ethical system that places humans in the center of importance and meaning. This gene-centric perspective represents a significant shift in thinking, moving away from the anthropocentric view of evolution towards a more decentralized interpretation, where genes drive the evolutionary process. Dawkins introduces the concept of the selfish gene metaphorically, suggesting that genes behave in a manner that appears self-serving, as they propagate their own existence by influencing the reproductive success of the organisms they inhabit. This perspective challenges traditional notions of altruism and cooperation in the animal kingdom, suggesting that these behaviors can also be explained through the lens of genetic self-interest. He posits that individuals act in ways that maximize the chances of their genes being passed on to the next generation, even if the actions may seem selfless on the surface. One of the significant contributions of the book is the idea of the meme, which Dawkins coins as a unit of cultural evolution, similar to how genes function in biological evolution. Memes can take the form of ideas, behaviors, or styles that spread from person to person through imitation and cultural transmission. Just as genes compete for survival and replication, memes compete for attention and adherence in society, leading to the evolution of ideas and cultural norms. Dawkins also explores various evolutionary strategies, notably through examples of animal behavior. He discusses kin selection, which explains how altruistic behaviors can evolve among relatives because they share a significant portion of their genes. He illustrates this through the behavior of animals like bees and ants, whose cooperative social structures enhance the survival chances of their shared genes. The prisoner's dilemma is another example, demonstrating how cooperation can arise even among self-interested parties when the benefits of mutual cooperation outweigh the potential risks. The book highlights the importance of understanding the complexities of evolution, emphasizing that it is a blind and non-teleological process. Dawkins underscores that evolution is not progressing toward a specific goal. Instead, it is shaped by historical contingencies and environmental pressures. In summarizing the central themes of The Selfish Gene, it becomes evident that Dawkins not only articulates the mechanics of evolution, but also challenges perceptions of altruism, cooperation, and the role of individuals in the evolutionary landscape. The book has had a profound impact on both science and philosophy, influencing fields as diverse as psychology, sociology, and cultural studies. Its legacy endures as readers continue to grapple with the implications of how genes influence our lives, our behaviors, and the very fabric of life itself. Overall, The Selfish Gene remains a seminal text, fostering a deeper understanding of evolution and the role of genes in shaping the natural world, while inviting readers to rethink the complexities of human and animal behavior through the lens of genetic imperatives.